According to U.S. News and World Report, here are 4 mistakes to avoid when you're planning to sell your home. 1. Skipping the preparation. Paint, make repairs, tidy up the landscaping, depersonalize the house, but make sure you only do the projects that are going to bring you the highest price for your home so you're not wasting money and time. 2. Pricing the house too high for the market. You want to price it at the highest possible price, but pricing too high leads to too many days on the market, which causes buyers to wonder whether there's something wrong with your house. 3. Being present for showings and open houses. It's almost never a good idea to be there when buyers are looking at your home. This can create an awkward situation for buyers where they have a hard time imagining themselves living in the house. And 4, not working with an experienced professional. There are licensed real estate agents and there are realtors. There is a difference. Realtors are members of the National Association of Realtors and must uphold their standards and code of ethics. A good realtor can provide you with support, advice, and resources to help you avoid these and other pitfalls. Unless you sell homes for a living, please hire someone who does, someone that you can trust and feel that you can work well with. Thanks for watching. I'm Felicia Grady with Realty Executives, full-time realtor for over 25 years. Please contact me with your real estate questions at 661-433-2244.